You will love the features of this 2024 Lincoln Corsair. Make the most of family outings in this refined and secure Corsair. From its silky smooth ride and touchscreen infotainment to its confidence-inspiring capability, this luxury compact SUV has you covered in style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, power passenger seat. Relax and enjoy the journey like never before when you're at the wheel of this remarkable Corsair. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.